Click on the link below to get price. The Dri-Eaz DrizAir 1400 Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust and efficient solution for moisture control in various environments, making it a go-to choice for contractors, restorers, and homeowners alike. With a capacity to remove up to 129 pints of water per day, this industrial-grade dehumidifier is designed for high performance in both commercial spaces and residential applications. One of the standout features of the DriAir 1400 is its built-in pump, allowing for continuous drainage. This significant advantage eliminates the hassle of manually emptying the collection tank, making it ideal for long-term use in flood restoration or in areas prone to high humidity. The pump allows water to be directed to a sink or drain, ensuring uninterrupted operation and efficiency. Portability is another highlight of the DriAir 1400. Weighing just around 37 pounds and equipped with sturdy wheels and a comfortable handle, it's easy to transport from one job site to another. This is particularly beneficial for restoration professionals who require a reliable dehumidifying solution that can be moved effortlessly. The unit also features a user-friendly control panel with an adjustable humidistat, allowing users to set their desired humidity levels precisely. Its durable construction, including a rotomolded polyethylene casing, ensures that it can withstand the rigors of tough work environments without compromising performance. In terms of energy efficiency, the DriAir 1400 is designed to operate effectively with minimal power consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice. It operates quietly, which is an added advantage in residential applications where noise levels can be a concern. Overall, the Dri-Eaz DrizAir 1400 Commercial Dehumidifier is an exceptional tool for anyone needing reliable moisture removal. Its combination of high capacity, portability, and user-friendly features makes it a worthwhile investment for maintaining dry and comfortable indoor environments. Whether you're dealing with water damage or simply managing humidity levels, this unit delivers consistent performance and peace of mind.